Okay, good evening. It is Wednesday. I just got home from work. Listen, I stopped by KFC. I realized that they have a Wednesday special for $4.99. So I'm checking it out for the first time. We have our biscuits. I didn't know a biscuit really came with it. I guess I wasn't really paying attention, but I don't have any honey. But the biscuits smell amazing. As soon as she handed me the bag, I could immediately smell my biscuits. I got some coleslaw. I love KFC's coleslaw. Now, what is this? Hold on, y'all. Oh, mashed potatoes. And let's try this chicken fried chicken. Now, the only time I ever get chicken fried chicken is if I go to Cracker Barrel. So I'm too lazy to get up and get a knife. I just wanted to check this out. Let's see, y'all. They ain't gone. Come on, peace. All right, let's try this with a little gravy. See what it's talking about. I mean, it ain't bad. It ain't bad. But the biscuit I won't eat tonight. I'll save that for tomorrow for breakfast. Throw a little honey on there. But yeah. Little $4.99 Wednesday special at KFC. Check it out if you're on a budget. Don't feel like cooking tonight. Get you some fried chicken, some mashed potatoes, some coleslaw, and a biscuit for $4.99. Peace out.